This one is fast. Better be ready on this one. This one is real fast. There you go. That's a 50, boy. See? Oh, God, nice. Told you could hit the 50s. Hey, pay attention to the pitch. Don't be playing with the ball. Move closer to the line a little bit. You're too far off the line again. Nice. Come on, give me another good hit. Nice. Swing all the way through. Wow, that's good hitting, man. Want to try one more? Yeah, do this one more time. This is good.